Every 10 years, the United States counts its population through the census. And once that count is finished, political maps have to be redrawn. That process is called redistricting. It decides which voters belong in which districts for the U.S. House of Representatives, state legislatures, city councils, school boards, and other elected offices. Here's the basic idea. Each district is supposed to contain roughly the same number of people, so that one person's vote carries about the same weight as another's. If one area grows quickly and another loses population, the old maps become unequal. Redistricting updates those boundaries to reflect where people actually live. But redistricting is not just a technical process. It is deeply political. The lines can determine which communities are grouped together, which candidates have an advantage, and which party is more likely to win power. In many states, legislatures draw the maps. In others, independent or bipartisan commissions play a role. Courts can also step in if maps violate the Constitution or federal laws, especially when districts discriminate against racial or language minority groups. One of the most controversial parts of redistricting is gerrymandering. That happens when district lines are drawn to benefit a political party, protect incumbents, or weaken the voting power of certain groups. Two common tactics are called packing and cracking. Packing puts as many voters from one group as possible into a small number of districts, limiting their influence elsewhere. Cracking spreads those voters across many districts, so they struggle to form a majority anywhere. The impact can be huge. Redistricting affects who gets represented, which issues receive attention, and how competitive elections are. A map can make a state's political balance look very different from how its voters actually vote overall. It can create safe seats where the real contest happens in a primary, not the general election. It can also split neighborhoods, cities, or communities of interest, making it harder for people with shared concerns to elect someone who understands them. In short, redistricting is important because maps shape democracy. They do not just reflect political power. They can create it, protect it, or dilute it. That is why the fight over district lines is really a fight over representation itself.